Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the topic Wi-Fi attacks. What is Wi-Fi? We know that it is wireless fidelity. Okay. So we all use Wi-Fi nowadays in colleges, in schools, in organizations. Okay, so everywhere we have Wi-Fi, even in shopping malls. Okay, so there are Wi-Fi. So how this in that particular Wi-Fi too, we have some vulnerabilities. So they are hacking. Okay, so there are some attack types and methods and how we can prevent this to enhance our network security. Okay, so there are some common Wi-Fi attack types. Okay, so there are evil twin attack, packet sniffing, and denial of service attack. Okay, so what is this particular evil twin attack? So it is one of the cyber attack where attacker sets uh, some mimics or some idea or trick, okay, to steal some sensitive informations or to inject some particular malware. So this is what is called as evil twin attack. Okay, so how this evil twin attack means de-authentication happens. So the attacker may use some disconnect some devices. Okay. So forcing them to the RUG access point. Okay. So that is what we say it is a evil twin attack. Next is about packet sniffing. So packet sniffing is one of the type of technique to analyze the network traffic often for troubleshooting or security purpose we use this. So there are some types of packet sniffing too we have seen, like passive packet sniffing, active packet sniffing. Passive means to analyze the network traffic without interfering with the thing. Active means to manipulate traffic or to gather more informations, like by injecting the packets. That is active packet sniffing. So packet sniffing here to analyze the data packets transmitted over the air, exposing sensitive information such as passwords and personal messages. So this is what is called as packet sniffing. Okay. So for this particular type of attack, what we have to do is we have to continuously monitor the network. So we have to use some tools to say we can see it later. Okay. And next is about denial of service attack. So what is denial of service attack? We always face this types of issue when we use our laptop or desktop, right? So the OS will not run and it is it is full of like paths and with nothing to be visible in the screen. Okay. That is what is denial of service attack. It is a type of cyber attack where attacker attempts to make a computer or network resource to make by overwhelming with a request. Okay, so flood, we can say attackers fled a network with excessive traffic, causing the legitimate users to lose access to the network, which disrupts services and can also lead to financial losses too. Okay, and next is man in the middle attack. Okay, so here interception of communications. So man in the middle attack, actually it is one of the type of evil, like evil twin attack, excuse me, evil twin attack. So it is interception of communications, session hijacking, data modifications. Three characteristics under man in the middle attack. Okay. So once devices connect to a particular access point, the attacker may manipulate the communications and potentially stealing sensitive informations or injecting the malware. So we have seen lots of things like this, even recently in Israel. Okay, so giving some injection malware to the particular mobile devices. Okay. Um, so interception of communication. So attacker position themselves between the user and the access point, allowing them to eavesdrop or manipulate the data being accessed. Next is about session hijacking. So we know the session itself, it means like a particular time period. Okay. So after intercepting a user session, attackers can gain unauthorized access to accounts and sensitive informations without the user's knowledge. Okay. Attacker takes control of a user session often to gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. Okay. And that is what is session hijacking. Data modification. Attackers can alter the data being sent between two parties, okay, which can lead to misinformations or unauthorized transactions. Next is about WPA and WPA2 vulnerabilities. So, what is this WPA? The term is Wi-Fi protected access. PSK means it is a pre-shared key. Okay, so what is a weakness? Weak password leads to unauthorized deals. Okay, so first we have to know what is this WPA. WPA means Wi-Fi protected access pre-shared key weakness. So it is like one of the protocol designed to protect the Wi-Fi networks from unauthorized access. So it is one of the protocol. So now we are seeing the measures to prevent the Wi-Fi attacks. Okay. So why we have to use this protocol in order to protect from weak passwords, which leads to unauthorized access. Okay. So here we can see WPA2. This is an updated version of WPA, that is Wi-Fi Protected Access 2. Okay. So which uses advanced encryption standard. Okay. WPA uses a one of the temporal key integrity protocol, and WPA2 uses advanced encryption standard protocol for encryptions and provides additional security features. So there is some differences in the versions also, which has gain in access security. Okay, that is of WPA and WPA2 versions. Okay, and next is about crack. Okay,